Condo sign Chiang Mai next door to Central Festival only 200m. Condo sign have access to the largest swimming pool in Chiang Mai. An equality gym all set in comfortable gardens. The project contains 813 apartments located in 4 low-rise, 8-story buildings on a large plot of over 11 rai in size. Such a low building density set in unique landscaped gardens creates a truly tranquil residential community. With a peaceful and serene ambience, truly an oasis of pleasant living. The beautifully landscaped gardens fill the remainder of the project with a jogging track surrounding it. Size 30 square meters. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. One kitchen, 1 balcony. All kitchenwares, microwave, and etc. Fully furnished.